Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon D7500 DSLR camera kit is an impressive entry-level option for both amateur and aspiring professional photographers. This versatile kit includes an 18 to 55mm VR lens and a 70 to 300mm lens, enabling users to capture a wide range of subjects from landscapes to wildlife. At the heart of the D7500 is a remarkable 20.9 MP APS-C sensor that produces stunningly detailed images. The camera's ISO range of 100 to 51,200 allows for exceptional performance in low-light conditions, making it a great companion for night photography or indoor events. The image quality remains sharp and vibrant even in higher ISO settings, providing a sense of confidence when shooting in challenging environments. The 180-degree tilting touchscreen display is a user-friendly feature that enhances shooting flexibility. Whether you're composing shots from low angles or capturing selfies, the screen facilitates creative exploration. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for easy sharing of your pictures and videos directly to your smartphone or tablet, a must-have in today's social media-driven world. The dual-lens setup included in this kit further amplifies its value. The 18 to 55mm lens is perfect for general photography, delivering crisp images with minimal distortion. The 70 to 300mm lens, on the other hand, excels in capturing distant subjects, making it ideal for outdoor photography, sports events, or wildlife observation. This combination empowers photographers with the flexibility to experiment with focal lengths. Additionally, the 128GB SD card ensures you have ample storage for thousands of high-resolution images and videos, eliminating the worry of running out of space during crucial moments. The Nikon D7500 stands out with its robust build quality, fast autofocus system, and continuous shooting capability of 8 frames per second. Whether you are capturing fleeting moments or planning a detailed shoot, this kit adapts to your needs seamlessly. Overall, the Nikon D7500 DSLR camera kit offers a well-rounded package that is hard to beat for anyone looking to elevate their photography.